Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with GitHub Pages to host your UI portfolio, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have a GitHub account. If you don't have one, visit github.com and sign up for an account. Once you're logged in, create a new repository. Click the green New button on your repositories page. Name your repository as username.github.io, replacing username with your GitHub username. Make sure to set the repository to public. Now, check the box that says Initialize this repository with a README. After creating your repository, click on the Settings, scroll down to the GitHub Pages section. Here, select the branch you want to use for GitHub Pages, typically this will be the main branch. Click Save. You will see a message indicating that your site is published at a specific URL. Next, you need to set up your UI portfolio files. Prepare your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files on your computer. Make sure your main HTML file is named index.html. Now, go back to your GitHub repository. Click on Add File and then choose Upload Files. Drag and drop your portfolio files into the upload area. Once your files are uploaded, click on Commit Changes at the bottom of the page. Your files are now saved in your repository. Refresh the page or visit your GitHub Pages URL to see your portfolio live. If you need to make changes, simply update the files in your repository. Remember to commit your changes each time you update your portfolio. Leave a few minutes for changes to reflect on your live site. Congratulations, your UI portfolio is now hosted on GitHub Pages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.